Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your Phantom wallet to Coinbase, step by step, and then cash it out to your bank account. So the tutorial today is how to send USDC from Phantom wallet to Coinbase. First, you need to check which network your USDC is on in Phantom. Open your Phantom wallet and tap on USDC. Scroll down and look for the network information. It will show whether your USDC is on Ethereum or on Solana. This step is very important because sending to the wrong network can result in lost funds. If your USDC is on the Ethereum network, log into your Coinbase account next. Once you're logged in, click on Receive Crypto. Search for USDC and make sure you select Receive USDC on the Ethereum network. Copy the receive address shown on the screen. Now go back to your Phantom wallet, tap on your USDC that's on Ethereum, then tap Send. Paste the Coinbase USDC Ethereum receive address you just copied, enter the amount you want to send, or choose max if you want to send everything, review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction in Phantom. After a few minutes, once the Ethereum network processes the transaction, the USDC will appear in your Coinbase account. When it shows up, you can convert the USDC to USD. After converting, tap on USD, select Withdraw, choose your bank account, enter the amount, complete the verification steps, and your money will be sent to your bank. If your USDC is on the Solana network instead, the process is very similar, but the network selection must match. Open Phantom, tap on USDC, and confirm it shows Network Solana. Then log into Coinbase and click Receive Crypto. Search for USDC and make sure you manually select Solana as the network instead of Ethereum. Acknowledge the warning, then copy the Solana USDC receive address. Go back to Phantom, tap on your Solana-based USDC, tap Send, paste the Coinbase USDC Solana address, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Once the USDC arrives in your Coinbase account, follow the same steps as before. Convert USDC to USD, then withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. And that's it. That's how you send USDC from Phantom wallet to Coinbase and cash it out to your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.